just sucks because where it happened is like there's no.
I know,
There's
yeah.
nowhere to go off.
I'm
You're
from
like, well,
San Diego.
we're just stuck here.
Yeah, my bestie, she bought her, like, from her family home, her parents' house, she, like, bought it off, like, you know, took the mortgage over or whatever, at Jolton, in Orange County, and I, like, love, like, grandma and grandpa were there, obviously, but, like, fuck Orange County, you know, and, like, I can't stand Orange County, I just fuck Orange County, and I'm like, I should go visit her, and, like, it's a big deal that she, like, has the house, and, like, go hang out by the pool, and I'm like, I just have nothing. It's either planning a weekend to drive down there or booking flights and like holidays and all. Yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah, I know. I mean, the only thing is just like the little ones, especially, you know, I'm like, every time I see them, I'm like,
It's Auntie Andy!
like,
It's Auntie Andy,
she's
you're on!
still lives in San Diego, and I'm like, I don't know. Ari and Matt, I have a feeling. I mean, it really depends on like where she gets offered. But I know she wants to go back to San Diego, so like, yeah. Well, she's just so busy. It's like I feel like she gets like FOMO really bad of like these things, you know. And so I feel like if she moves back to San Diego, then I might feel more of like the pull to go back, you know, because I'll be the only one up here. But I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll be. Spoiler! 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 Yeah, we'll see. Trying to be like, because I feel like the last few months, people would be like, how are you? And I'd be like, I'm great, just don't ask me, like, you know, I'm just trying to be like in the moment and enjoy my life, and, you know, and now I'm like barely starting to like, okay, wait, what do I want? You know, like, what do I want now that the dust is settled?
Let's go, buddy!
Oh, please, have you met my father? I know how to verbally fight. Physically. No, like, I've had this whole thing of, like, I really want to fight a man. No, not like a particular man, but just like, you know, I want to be ready. So, you ready for like, she actually had
Big Martin, yes! All day! All day!
Let's go, Steph! Let's go, Steph! Take a seat, Dad.
Yeah.
You're not touching the frisbee.
I want to be Was it over the World Cup?
They didn't win, I think.
Right. Were you there for the game? Oh, that's right. It was so sad here. It was so sad. That game was today.
I'm changing it for you.
Yeah, I really don't want to lose. I'll probably catch it.
I'm playing.
Let's go, Birds! Easy hold, easy hold! Let's go, Birds!
Sometimes we're good, you like trying to dig into the power.
Right, same.
It's like,
Testing the water. Yeah. Yes. England and Argentina. I don't want either of them.
What was the first one?
So like, I was that yard is going to be possible.
Yeah, I really don't.
Don't jinx it.
And I've seen this stuff like Olympics and now Norway.
Outside. Striking, strike.
Right.
That could be it.
Oh, did you watch the Cape Verde game, dude? That was so sad. That was so
Buster! Hey! Jackson!
It is fun. I tell you, I don't keep.
Coach, my guy didn't get the frisbee. You're
Once
welcome.
Mexico goes out, and I don't like to say any of the other.
You've thrown this 3-point rule out the window.
I would be going, but they all got.
Oh yeah, because I like to make it.
Yeah. Right. Yeah, right. Right.
I wasn't really.
Well, if you move to London. Well, there's some. Yeah, right. Yep. Right. Yes, yeah. Love Turkish food though, not an issue. Yeah, not a problem. Same, yeah. Yeah, right. Yeah, right.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It's worse than Boston. And Boston's terrible.
Inside. No run. Great work, Tango.
This is Lindsay.
It's a swing.
Hey, how's Lane? You do? Yeah. Talk shit.
It's a suburban paradise.
It's right. You know what's funny? One of my best friends from Berkeley, she was from Lancaster, and the prison is. She's like, you know what?
Chase! No. I'm sorry, I forgot that. Yes, thank you.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I know.
Breathtaking.
Yeah. Prison crosswalk.
This is the one in the...
Did you drive or what? Yeah, Lancaster's great.
Guys, okay, I don't want to hear it.
I'm a city girl, okay?
I'll New Mexico. When you're
Right.
this is
And you guys are together, right? Yeah, right. Well, that'll work.
That's all.
Do you want to come on? Hey, what do you think about us? What's it called?
Yeah, Tyler's at the same time.
Well, my mom texted me yesterday and was like, "Are you seeing Tyler?" I was like, "I hate this family." I hate this family.
I wouldn't be. I hope not. Wouldn't be offended.
No, well, I'm just glad because I told Ari, I was like, "You know that I'm seeing Tyler this weekend, right?" And she was like, "What?" And I was like, "Yeah, he's here." And she like forgot. It's her best friend. I was invited. I said no to that. I was like, "Well, if I'm saying no to that."
Ari, pull wide.
I would have said.
Pull over here.
Not yet. Not
Not
yet.
yet.
Just tell everybody I'm fine. That's what I told Ari. I was like, just tell everybody I'm fine. I was curious to catch the vibe.
Check out. Inside. Okay.
Get out of the field. Just talked about, bro.
On the beach? No. Oh, you're right by Art. Yeah, right. Are you guys leaving tomorrow? Same. Yeah.
Every time I made a cut, I saw the throw. I was like, oh shoot, I gotta go help it now. I got a big green egg. I've been smoking meats.
You settled in.
Yeah, it's great. Little dog Ellie, hopping around, flying through.
You know that San Francisco has more three-legged dogs than like any other city. It's like some haven for three-legged dogs.
Oh,
Ari told me about this.
I was gonna say, what if there's
No, it's just like some weird thing that like a lot of people in San Francisco like take in disabled animals, I guess.
I feel better about myself.
Yeah, right.
Let's go, Birds! Let's go, Birds!
Yeah, well, so is it all good?
Oh no, we're just
But I mean, like, if you see how the horse is set.
Hey, he's here!
I can see you being
Right!
a Wednesday champion if you saw.
Riley hot!
How is Mason? Where is he? Okay, that's right.
Hey, nothing on the ground. Hey, Bob!
Let's get him!
I know, that was my question.
Yeah, you want to get broken again? I'm just asking. Do we have time?
Really? The gator in the back.
Yeah, it's like you just like dry out the for like $50. True.
He's like ready. Yeah. Like politically. Yeah. That's not just hearsay. safe.
My mentor.
Sorry. Oh my God! I mean, I was the only one growing up in the Ann-Harry household that wasn't red. I mean, yeah, Raquel has water in it, but yeah, my mom. Wait, would you? Yeah. I know. I had a funny talk with a friend recently about. I hadn't seen him in a minute, and I've been, I've been pretty unhinged. I'm coming out of the era. I feel like I'm leveling up a little bit. Like I've really just been like not. I was just like popping off. I was like, what do you mean that next time was That's why I didn't learn to fight.
I didn't. That's why you're going to let it. It's on Roger there. I need to go to the right. No, I just wanted to talk to you.
I know that's kind of the tough part. What I think about like, even buying a $15 house doesn't sound appealing to me anywhere.
There was a very.
Violation!
Yeah, that's how I
Over the pressure, Luke!
I don't know if I'm going to
Yeah, tight, Santi!
No, yeah.
Let's go, Andy! There we are!
Hey, who was that too? Who went?
That was challenge.
Who
And
was
then we went to that.
Am I supposed to go to my teammates?
I know I'm right. Except when and I went to Portland for a friend's birthday, and she's lovely lesbian, and just wanted to be in the group that's always been, and we spent way too much money, and she had a great time. You better.
It's just like all of
That's hilarious. No, but that is so Portland. So
Well, there was a lot of crowding, and if I would have hit you, would have been thread the needle.
They went to
I did give you the clear, but I was not where I
Have you been to the one after one? You know what? That's something I should. My friends, the chicken buffet. I've been wanting to go just to say that.
Someone big, I saw you open, and I was like,
Yeah, but I left Portland. I was like, Yeah, that's what I just told him.
Oh, wait, actually, should we say that?
Yeah, it was fine. Right. It's pretty quick, I suppose.
She's just not as like.
Yeah.
Get in there, Molly! Get in there, Molly!
I see. Yeah, that's kind of how Ari is too.
Go around, George!
Ari's more granola. Though.
Sarah, that's you!
You know, like they don't.
Nice, Sarah!
Like that type of
All right, let's work it!
Good, all right. It's all you, Tyler.
Chillian, man, Chillian! Tyler, nice touch, Tyler! Coach! Yes, play!
Already tighter, already tighter.
Yes!
Good team, Maddie, good pressure.
Get it back!
Like even today, I got totally overslept.
Sideline! Feel, George, feel!
Right, the little.
Let's try play.
So it's just everything is slow.
Yeah. All right, let's set it up. Let's set it up, spoilers. We got this.
Strike for one, strike for one, strike for one.
Strike for one. Good. There you go. It's okay. It's all right. All right. All right.
Tight. Julie, sideline again!
You won.
I was like 20.
George, honesty, George.
Hey, right.
Call over here. Call over here.
Yeah, no, you're right. I think you were right. You're right. I agree. Ready? 3, 2, 1, 2, Tom.
And then Jacob's up and again.
Looky, George, looking. George, tight D, George.
Hey! Nothing. Oh. I didn't hear it, sorry. Shouldn't be saying
You're too deep!
Got like 50, 52 Oreos and like a few dozen too many beers.
Oh,
I feel like we're
George, nothing to the open side, George.
You're on the open side of him, George. Open side, George, open side. George,
No round, Riley, no round.
Nice, Janko. Hey, Maddie's close.
Maddie, honest.
Really, stop.
Hey,
Hey, no round, May. All right, no round.
All right, let's go.
Someone told me that was a play, and I was like,
No round. Seal May. Nice, there you go, May.
it changes sport every year. You know what I'm saying?
No round.
Seal.
Nice try. All right. Let's go, spoilers. Let's work it, spoiler.
Good line.
So my mom, you know,
Good line.
she gets a like school break every year, and I usually try to watch something with her when she that's like a slow time. She really wanted to go to Yellowstone, and then we told Ari, I can go to see her next year. So then we were like, okay, we'll wait till next year. But then my mom was like, she might not want to do it at this point. And we're just waiting for the doctors to give her Yellowstone.
Yeah, Molly, good luck. Yeah,
But my mom said that the main hesitation your mom has is that there's like no signal in the park. So it's like she won't be able to get anything. She won't be able to move.
Spoilers, let's work it out!
No, I'm kidding.
So, a few weeks ago, did you ever go to the String Grove concerts? Okay, I love String Grove, and I was at, so like, I don't know if you know this about me, but like, you know, a lot of my close friends are like friends I've had for a very long time, you know. Just staying in each other's lives. And I had a good friend in town that was actually one of my good friends from like middle school, right? We went to high school. And then we were at the Stern Grove Festival. We were like up in the trees eating a sandwich. And I looked to my left and I was like, someone I've been seeing them since I was like in high school, but like I would recognize their face anymore. And I'm sitting there and I'm like, would they remember me? You know what I mean? Because like they were like involved in everything, and I was like, you know, I'm not the type of person to like go approach or whatever. So I'm also good friends with my ex from high school as well, and he lives here. And he met up with us at the concert, so that I'm like, okay, that's Eva, right? It's like we went to high school. He said, yeah, I'm gonna go say hi. So he walks over and goes and says hi, and Eli's like, wait, what the fuck? Like, I thought I just saw Becca. And he's like, you did just see Becca. Like, I'm here with Becca. And he was like, wait, what? wait, what? So then now he lives here, he works at Stanford, and he's like trying to be friends. So he's looking at us going to something with him tomorrow. I'm like, this is weird. Like, we're old. These are old friends, you know.
Hey, spoilers, let's go cheer them on. Let's go.
What's the worst that
Come on, spoilers, up. Up.
Yeah.
Yeah, Riley.
Yes, Riley!
What?
Hey, we're on the side. We're on the side. Riley's a good advocate.
That's so funny. In the city? So many. I know, I'm telling you, I'm in this like era of my life where I'm just like saying things, you know, but like, so I'm like, I'm down, you know, I'm down to reconnect with people or whatever, but like,
Clay high!
you know.
Yes, I am.
Well, they're in LA. Right. I should have made a sign.
I got a laugh over there. We like took
Who makes the win? Hey, yes, Widow, Kyle, hey.
Okay.
And so basically you add one at the time at to the high school. So we're playing
I'm like,
dude, you know what's really funny? You know how we used to play in middle school? And it's cool.
Call you what?
That's what they do. And then you used to be like, oh, I'm going to sit on you. Yeah. It's a really good one.
Yanio! Yes, buddy! Yes, Rebel!
yeah, Whittle. Hey, you're locked in. Oh, you're back, Whittle. Okay, I guess we were. Second chances! Hey, watch the lane! Watch the lane!
I can't see you being a bully.
Yeah, buddy!
Still in the lane! Still in the lane! Give and go! Move back! In the lane!
Sorry, we can all
It's sideline! It's sideline!
Yeah,
it's funny. Hey, sideline again! Sideline!
She figured out how to channel energy into something.
Do it again! Get another thing!
Motion! Give and go!
Hey, what's seatbelt? Seatbelt. Stay
Up!
Oh, what? That doesn't sound you.
Oh!
You go from right to left. Oh, I'm putting on. I'm a fast. I'm not driving. I'm driving. You're driving.
Good caliber. Stay on. Way to call for it, Zach.
Yeah, Neo, yes, Neo! That's beautiful! Neo, no swing, Neo!
No!
Seal! The SFB headline. Seal! Inside! Seal! Hey, yes, Justin. Oh, Kyle. You're good, Kyle. Get it back.
See, that's why you did.
Oh, let's go,
That's why you
Justin!
did. Yeah, it's like a game. That's a good
Okay, hey. I like the Neo.
Hey, Neo.
Yeah, Neo.
It's
okay, Neo, get it back!
Way to knock the disc away.
Hey, Neo, back on D here, Neo! Get there, Neo! Yeah, Neo.
No, I mean, no, I'm not.
Go. Line it up. Let's go, Bird.
No, because the second horn off, that means like finish the one you're doing.
I know, that's what. I know, I have a friend that's gonna go watch the game. Yeah!
What do you think? What do you think?
I mean, I know it's like this thing, like I have friends that, for many reasons, ended up in fucking Phoenix, Arizona. And he's like, what the fuck's happening in Phoenix, Arizona? Joined a gay rights and got like so sucked in, you know, like, and people like take it so seriously. And I'm like, I know it's a thing. And it's like, how do I? Yeah, how do I? Yeah, right. I'm like, I understand, but I'm like, just, oh, you know, can't you be making music forever? I don't want to do this shit, you know? Like, right. Right. But there's like the teamwork aspect. And look at who's thriving. No, fuck you know, I'm like, because I have to like, go watch this game and then come back. Because I'm like, I'm so lazy. Like, I'm gonna have to come back. You know what I mean? Like, I'm gonna cut through the city.